Hello everyone, in this video we will study how to perform matrix multiplication. So addition and subtraction of matrix is very easy compared to matrix multiplication. In matrix multiplication we have to follow some rules to perform multiplication. So suppose A is the first matrix and B is the second matrix, and suppose we are storing that result in matrix C, and suppose the order of first matrix is m into n and the order of second matrix is p into q. So here m is the number of rows of first matrix and n is the number of columns of first matrix. Similarly, p is the number of rows of second matrix and q will be the number of columns of second matrix. So while performing matrix multiplication, make sure that the number of columns of first matrix and the number of rows of second matrix should be same. So if both the values are same, that is if n is equal to p, then we can perform matrix multiplication, and the resultant matrix will be in the order m into q, that is number of rows of first matrix and number of columns of second matrix. So suppose the order of first matrix is 2 into 4, that is 2 rows and 4 columns, and suppose the order of second matrix is 4 into 3, that is 4 rows and 3 columns. So now if you see, the value of n and p is same, that means we can perform multiplication, and the resultant order will be 2 into 3, that is m into q. Now we will take two matrices and we will see how we calculate matrix multiplication. So suppose this is the first matrix, that is 2 into 2 matrices. So there are 4 elements, 2 rows and 2 columns. So in first row the elements are A11 and A12, and in the second row the elements are A21 and A22. And if the second matrix is also of 2 into 2 order, so the first row is B11 and B12 and second row is B21 and B22. So there are some rules that has to be followed while performing matrix multiplication. So here, to get the first element of the resultant matrices, we have to perform addition as well as multiplication. So to get the first element, we have to multiply A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21, that is first element of the first matrices into second element of the second matrices plus second element of first matrices plus second element of second matrices. So in this way, these are the formulas that we have to follow. So now we will take one example. So suppose these are the values. So here A11 will be 2, A12 will be 4, A21 is 7 and A22 is 1. And here B11 is 1, B12 is 2, B21 is 3 and B22 is 4. So these are the two matrices, and suppose we want to perform matrix multiplication, just replace the values. So here the first element will be 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3. The second element will be 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4. The next will be 7 into 1 plus 1 into 3, and the last element will be 7 into 2 plus 1 into 4. So we will just simplify that calculation. So 2 plus 12, 4 plus 16, 7 plus 3 and 14 plus 4. And the final result will be 14, 20, 10 and 18. So in this way we can perform matrix multiplication. So if you see, for 2 into 2 matrices, we have performed total 8 multiplications and 4 addition operation. But while performing in the computer, multiplication operator takes more time. So to overcome this problem, there is one technique called Strasson's matrix multiplication by using divide and conquer strategy. So here in multiplication we can apply divide and conquer strategy to reduce the number of multiplication performed in the normal multiplication. So by using Strasson's matrix multiplication technique, we can reduce the number of multiplications. So here in the normal matrix multiplication, we required 8 multiplications and 4 addition operations to perform 2 into 2 matrix multiplication. So by using Strasson's matrix multiplication, we can reduce the number of multiplication operations, and by using this we can save our computing time. So how to calculate using Strasson's multiplication we will see in the next videos. So there are some formulas that has to be followed to reduce the number of multiplication in the matrix multiplication.